feel like I need some more caffeine, so let's take a ride. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And today we're going to the Coffee Ride Cafe. I'll put the name up on the screen here. It's in Nyack, New York. Looked like a cool place. If I had to compare it to something, it'd be like maybe the 9W Market with less options, or like Pagoda Press in Pagoda, New Jersey. Place looks cool as hell. They have some interesting things out front, and I was like, you know what? It's early, it's nice out, caffeine. Sold, friends, sold. Yeah, and this was a place I found doom scrolling Google Maps. So I've been up since friggin' 1:30. Hurrah, hurrah. Nothing like waking up nice and early on your days off, but wanting to sleep in on the days you gotta go to work. Like I was saying, the place does look cool, man. I was like, I wish I knew about this sooner. I would have taken a ride. Jeez, what they paved this friggin' highway with? Potholes and tar? It's like all huge tar snakes and stuff. Don't need to be in the fast lane, friend. Just set up my appointment for my stock seat. I have a wider one Indian makes on here, and I do like it, but the plan was to send the stock one to Mean City Cycles to get the double memory foam. It wasn't my idea originally, it was one of the guys, and then I was looking at backrests and stuff, and I don't think I can get a backrest on here with this seat because of how wide it is for not only the driver but the passenger. Yeah, July, it's got to be there by July 7th, so I'll probably send it the last week of June. Do yourself a favor, if you ever have to ship anything UPS or USPS, and I'm not affiliated with this website at all, it's called pirateship.com. You go on, you save like 20 to 30%, you print a label. It's a good deal. At the Mean City Cycles actually recommended it. They were like, don't go to UPS, you can save yourself some money. I've been using them ever since. Playing a lot of video games lately again, and I've been playing a lot of Battlefield 6, the one with the map from Battlefield 4, Railway to Galmud or whatever it's called, and Fortnite, the 2 zero build modes, Blitz, and the other one I think is Battle Royale zero build, both no building. We were initially so against that game because of you know, you're trying to shoot these people and you have these little kids building friggin' skyscrapers in seconds, jamming their friggin' keyboards because they can't aim a gun in the game. And once I saw they had zero build, I said, alright, I'm gonna go back and check this out. Then I got my friend Cameron to come over. Anthony has already been playing, a couple other guys too. Really, I mean, you can't go wrong for free. Romantic Depot. I wonder if the inside is ribbed for your pleasure. That's right, ding ding. Never gets old. Never gets old. You know what? Let's get some gas since I can pump it myself. Yay. Jesus. $6 for Ultra, man. Why don't you just bend me over and have your way with me? Oh my friggin' God.
If we want to hear you talk, I will shove my arm up your ass and work your mouth like a puppet.
Yeah, that's insane. $6. I was like, oof. I've never been on this road before. How about that, huh? How about that?
At the next stop sign, turn right.
I believe we're pretty close. 3 minutes.
At the stop sign, turn right onto South Highland Avenue.
Yeah, we're on 9W now. Good old 9W. You do not have to twist my arm to ride 9W. And I'm sure you've heard a bunch of times in my videos. I mean, what's not to like? Sure, there's some congested areas, but there's a lot more riding along the Hudson River and views that are outstanding, to say the least.
At the next light, turn right.
Some geese, huh?
At the light, turn right onto Clinton Avenue. Then at the next light, you'll turn right.
For some reason, I was thinking this place was going to be down further north. Jeez, would you look at the size of that house, huh? This one too. What the hell, man? Oh my God. I think we're here.
Your destination is on the right.
Coffee Rider Cafe. Well, that place surprised me. Let me tell you something. I had a iced chai latte tea. Out of this world good. And I got some pastry. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wing it. I don't even know what the hell it is. And it was all airy on the inside and had cheese in it. Oh my friggin' God, was that good. I had no idea this was even here or this close to the 9W market, for that matter. I really like that place. I would go back in a heartbeat, man. Excuse me, bubby. I tell you, man, that iced chai latte tea, out of this friggin' world good. And I walked out without my pastry and they came out and gave it to me, which was cool as hell. Definitely giving that place the double thumbs up. It's literally 10 minutes past the market. Where you get off to stay on 9W, make a right, and a right. If you made it this far, friends, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. I thank you for giving up your free time to watch one of my videos, and hope you'll come back.